exercise called cigarette replace should be in your first aid kit if you decided to quit smoking. This pattern was developed by Italian behavioral psychologist Simone Ricchini and was inspired by Japanese philosopher and Aikido teacher Itsuo Tsuda. Yes, this pattern will help you to relieve the cigarette craving fast. It helps to calm down, it enhances mindfulness and provides the winning sensation. And it will work even if you had no experience in meditation ever. So whenever you feel like you want to smoke, just open Prana Breath app and start this training right at that moment. And right now I will show you the breathing we do here. So we have 4 breathing phases. We start from inhaling with 3 sections of our airways. We start from bottom and we move to the top. So we inhale, expanding our belly, ribs, and upper section. The collarbones should go up. And then we hold the breath, that is called air retaining, and we concentrate on relaxing our face muscles during this time. And it's just a little bit, and then we exhale. We exhale the other way around. We go from top to bottom. So exhale from top, middle, and bottom section of our airways. And then we hold the breath again for a little bit. And during this time, we imagine how our airways tissues are relaxing. So really imagine how your thorax, bronchus, and even nose tissues are getting into calm state. Alright, let me practice with you within the app. So I start the training, I see prepare, I just exhale. Like this. Breath holding stages are really short, so there is no need for you to have some extra air left in your airways. And also, after the training is over, please have just a few moments to realize that right now you are a winner. You have won one more little battle over your bad habit, and you are one step closer to the total victory over tobacco addiction. And also there are some more exercises to help you to fight this bad habit, and they are available in Guru version. Alright, have a great time practicing and cherish your best friend, your body.